Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I'm going to be doing a nail video today. So if you want to see what I'm going to be doing, just keep on watching. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a pink and white French manicure, and I always used to try to go to the nail salon and have them do a pink and white, and it never really looked pink to me. The nail always looked kind of clear and a little bit pink, but I always wanted a pink and white French manicure. So these nails, these are Kiss. They're the real short nails, and they are to me, there's no name on here, there's just numbers, but they definitely have a pink tone to the actual nail itself, but you know, and then the white tip. But I got these off of Amazon. I'm not sure, I haven't looked to see if they are available from the Kiss website, but I will. If they are, I will definitely link them from Kiss or from Amazon. I'm not 100% sure you can still get these, but I just got these within the last couple of weeks, so they should be available. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off these nails, and I have had these are the Impress color, the Opie color, Malaga Wine, I think they were called, and I have them in my video from Tuesday. I mentioned them, and I mentioned that I was really loving these, and I have had these on now going almost on 2 weeks, and I've had to glue a couple back on, but that's fine. They're beautiful. I love the color of these nails, so I really have kept them on. I haven't usually I get bored and I want to change them up, but these have been fantastic. So but I am due to change them out. So I'm just gonna take these off and put these on. I'm gonna be using my super glue, my dollar store, the original super glue that I always use and love. Yeah, so I'm just gonna bring the camera down, take these off, put those on, and then we'll see how they come out.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. I had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night.
Here I'm finding my sizes, and the nails are all numbered, so I'm matching them up for each hand. And you want to make sure that your nail fits just inside your own natural nail bed, because if the nail is too big, it will be more likely to pop off easily.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
All right, guys, so here's my pink and white French. I love these. I think these are so pretty and so feminine, and I love the pink. I don't know if you can see the pink and how pretty that looks. I always have a tough time with my thumbs. These came out perfect. I don't notice any air bubbles or anything on my fingers. My thumbs, I always have a hard time on my thumbs. There are some air bubbles here. They're not perfect, but no one will be examining my thumbs. And overall, I think they came out excellent. I really, really love the pink and white French. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this for the next week at least. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more than a week out of them. And I can always replace with some of my extra nails that I didn't use. And I really love the fact that these are numbered, because then you definitely are matching the fingers. You know, you're definitely matching what you used on this middle finger with what you used on that middle finger, and so on and so forth. So yeah, these came out terrific. I really, really love these. I hope you like them too. These are the Real Short Kiss nails, and I will link them. Like I said, I got these from Amazon. If they have them on the Kiss website, I will definitely link them there, or Amazon, but I'll try to link them below. So yeah, hopefully you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am so appreciative of you stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will subscribe, and I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.
With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.